Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel, where I share with you the secrets of successful investing. In this video, I'm going to talk about the most important rule that every investor should follow, according to the legendary Warren Buffett. He is widely regarded as one of the greatest investors of all time, and he has a net worth of over $100 billion. So, what is his number one rule? Well, he said it himself in a famous quote. The first rule of an investment is don't lose money. And the second rule of an investment is don't forget the first rule. And that's all the rules there are. But what does this rule mean, and how can we apply it to our own investing decisions? Let's find out. First of all, this rule does not mean that you should never invest in anything that has a risk of losing money. That would be impossible, because every investment has some degree of risk. Even if you keep your money in a bank account, you could lose money due to inflation or bank failure. What this rule means is that you should avoid investing in anything that has a high probability of losing money, or that could result in a large loss of your capital. You should also avoid investing in anything that you don't understand, or that you are not confident about. Buffett's rule is based on the principle of capital preservation, which means protecting your money from permanent loss. He believes that preserving your capital is more important than chasing high returns. Because losing a substantial portion of your investment can significantly hinder your ability to generate long-term returns. For example, if you lose 50% of your investment, you need to make 100% return just to break even. And if you lose 90% of your investment, you need to make 900% return just to break even. That's why Buffett says that it's better to miss out on a great opportunity than to lose money on a bad one. So, how can we follow Buffett's rule and avoid losing money? Well, here are some tips that can help you. Do your homework. Before you invest in anything, you should do thorough and comprehensive research on the company, the industry, the market, the competitors, the risks, and the potential returns. You should also understand the business model, the competitive advantage, the financial performance, and the valuation of the company. You should only invest in companies that you know well and that you believe have a strong future. Be patient. Buffett is famous for his long-term investing approach. He does not care about the short-term fluctuations of the stock market. He only cares about the intrinsic value of the company, which is the true worth of the business based on its earnings, assets, and growth prospects. He invests in companies that he believes are undervalued by the market, and that he expects to grow in value over time. He holds on to his investments for years, or even decades, and he rarely sells them. He says that his favorite holding period is forever. By being patient, you can avoid making impulsive or emotional decisions that could lead to losses. Be disciplined. Buffett is also famous for his discipline and consistency. He follows a set of principles and criteria that guide his investing decisions. He does not deviate from his strategy, or chase the latest trends or fads. He does not let fear or greed influence his judgment. He sticks to his circle of competence, which is the area of knowledge or expertise that he has. He does not invest in anything that he does not understand, or that he is not comfortable with. He says that the most important quality for an investor is temperament, not intellect. By being disciplined, you can avoid making mistakes or taking unnecessary risks that could cost you money. These are some of the ways that you can follow Buffett's number one rule and avoid losing money. Of course, this rule is not a guarantee of success, and it does not mean that you will never experience any losses. But by following this rule, you can minimize your losses and maximize your chances of achieving long-term investing success. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, feel free to ask me any questions about this video in the comments section below. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.